Hi everyone, so for today's video I will show you how to make a new Gmail account or how to add new Gmail account. So first, go to your Gmail, then click profile. So right here guys, scroll down. Then next guys, of course, we're gonna make new account. So itap mo yung add another account para makapag-start na po tayong gumawa ng ating account. So set up email, itap mo yung Google. Then, after mo siya matap is madirect na tayo dito sa ating sign in. So, of course guys, hindi tayo mag-sign in kasi mag-make tayo ng new account. So, itap mo yung create account. So, sa create account guys, meron siyang two choices for my personal use and for my work. So, dito tayo sa for personal use. So, here, create a Google account, enter your name. So, of course, enter your name. First name, then last name. Super easy lang naman niya guys. So i-add mo lang yung details mo, yung complete details. After that, itap mo yung next. Next is dito sa basic information, enter your birthday and gender. So i-add mo lang yung month. So may lumabas dyan. So pumili ka lang dyan kung anong month ka. Tapos yung date. Then, of course, yung year. Then, yung next naman, guys, is yung gender. So, ikaw na lang bahala dyan kung asan ka na belong. So, after that, itap mo yung next. So, here, guys, dito, guys, create an email address. So, meron siyang dalawang choices na pwede mong pagpipilian, which is ready-made na nila, guys. Or, if ever gusto mong ikaw mismo gumawa sa yung Gmail guys, is pwede mo to siyang itap ang create your own. So dito mo lang siya i-type kung anong gusto mo. So after that, so sa akin guys, ito na lang yung first one. So after mo ma-choose, itap mo lang yung next. So here's the create strong password guys. Of course, the password is create strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So, sundin mo lang siya guys, yung gumawa ka lang ng password na hindi mo talaga makakalimutan. So, dito natin i-type ang ating password, ang ating strong password guys, na hindi talaga natin siya makakalimutan para hindi tayo mahihirapan kapag mag-login tayo sa account natin. So, after that, itap mo lang yung next. So, right here, review your account info. So, makita mo yung Gmail mo. So, if okay na ang lahat, itap mo lang yung next. Dito naman sa privacy and terms. So, kapag ikaw yung mahilig magbasa, ay di basahin mo. So, sa akin guys, hindi ko na siya binasa. So, i-agree lang natin siya guys para mas madali. So, right here guys. So, after mo siya ma-agree, ma-diary ka na dito. So, go back to the, click mo yung profile here. Then, refresh natin guys. Andito ng ating bagong account. Ito yung bago natin ginawa guys. So, next is kailangan natin siya i-tap or i-sign in. So, here, ito na tong bago na tong Gmail. So, that's our vlog for today, guys. Sana po nakatulong tong video na ito. And thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!